everybody, it's Kelly and it is Tuesday. Tuesday, I know, and it's like 12:45. Well, I had to take off school today for something. My ex-husband, anyway, it turned out fine, no big deal. So I've been waiting for my cousins, as I told you they were coming into town. We were supposed to go over to St. Louis today to the Hill to get some Italian food to cook for dinner. I texted them, I haven't heard from them. I have absolutely no idea where they're at. So I decided, instead of just sitting here getting more anxious, that I would go ahead and put these two little videos together. I really don't have any new, you know what, I think my husband turned off the air conditioning. I'm sitting here right now and I'm starting to sweat. So hold that thought. Yes, he did. And no, I'm not going to sweat for him. Anyway, so what I decided is I'll just do this. Favorites. I just don't have any new favorites quite today, and you might actually see me in this again because if I do have time, my son's supposed to be coming home after school and then going back into town, but I figured I'd get this done. So I'm going to combine this. I'm all over the place, aren't I? I don't have any favorites. Not new ones that I've just all of a sudden recently just loved. So that's why I'm not really going to do favorites. Now next month, October, probably because I think my skincare will change. It's starting to dry out and my Celebration foundation just doesn't work for me when the weather gets cooler. First, what I'd like to do is I'm going to show you and swatch for you the Naked Basic 1 and the Naked Basic 2. Okay, and I think the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to do the lightest color next to each other so you can kind of see it that way, okay, and you can compare them. So let's get started. I'm going to open my palettes. By the way, I have to tell you, no matter when I go on vacation anymore, I'm going to take these palettes with me. I really am. Now I might pop a little bit of another little purple in there or a little navy because they don't have either one of those. But other than that, love this palette. All right, we're going to do the one first. We're going to swatch this one first. Actually, you know what? I'm going to have to get a wet paper towel because I'm going to have stuff all over myself. So hold that thought. Isn't that always how it is? They just texted me and said they're loading the car now. So this might be put in two parts. You'll see me in this, but then maybe I'll finish it later. Anyway, I'm hoping to get at least this part of it done. All right, so I'm going to start with the Naked 1. I'm going to start with the lightest color. Okay, and I'm going to wipe my hand and go into the lightest color of the Naked 2. Okay. You can definitely see there is a bit of a difference. This is definitely cooler, a little more pink tones in it, and this has a little more of a yellow tone in it. Okay, we're going to go to the next color. Barely see that one. And then the next color of the Cool. Good. This just one has more pigment, and that's the Cool one. Okay, I can probably fit two more on my hand and then I'm going to have to wipe and go to the next hand. So then I'm going to go to the third one. And this is the 1. And then the third one, which I really like, of the Cool. Yeah, you can barely see that on my skin. I'll swatch that again. But for me, it is a great, great blending tone. Fabulous blending tone. I'll just use my other hand. Okay, so then we're going to go into the, I did those. Did I do those? I think I swatched the wrong ones. Maybe not. Okay, let's try this. So now I'm going to go into the fourth one and the 1. Okay, and I'm going to go into the fourth one on the 2. Okay. Very similar, but there is a difference. I have to tell you, there really, really is a difference. All right, now we're going to go into the second to last one. That's the 1, and the second to last one in the 2. Okay, there is a difference. And then this is what I thought was interesting. I would have switched these, but anyway, in the 1, it's more of a black. Okay. But it looks brown on there, but it looks black here. And on the 2, it's more of a gray. Yeah, So there are your differences. Overall, I have to say that I do like the two better. For my skin, I really like, oh, look at that, it's gonna, I have to really wash my, before we go, okay. That I really like the two palette better than the one palette. I don't know, the cooler tones look better on me than the warmer ones. So this is 2 and this is 1. But either way, love, 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 love them. All right, since they're not here yet, I'm gonna go ahead and do my empties. All right, so like I said, I didn't have a whole lot of empties, and this has been over a little while of time, so I've got them in a nice little box. Yeah, I'm hot. Okay, first thing that I used up was my What's Your Type Bodybuilder by The Balm. I liked this mascara. If I were to get it in a sample, I wouldn't give it away, I would use it. But as you know, I love, love, love my They're Real, in fact, where is it? Yeah, my Real mascara, which I'm empty on that. And I already have a backup on this one. Good mascara. Definitely would repurchase and already have. Okay. Another makeup item that I finished was the Clinique Even Better. This was really light. I use this a lot in the spring. I liked it. Would I purchase it again? No. There's other foundations that I like better than this one, but it wasn't bad. This was pretty light. This I just got rid of. It's separating. It's okay. To me, Color Stay feels heavy on my skin. Especially, this is even the oil control. I'm going to be wearing my my celebration in the summer. No questions anymore. I will not wear liquid in the summer just because it feels so good on your skin at your celebration. But this was mine. It's separated and I have no idea what number it is. I can't even tell. But anyway, it's just heavy. I don't care for the Color Stay. That's just me. Another makeup item I used up. Celebration foundation. You can see I used just like a little bit scraping there. And this was the tan. I actually might be using up the other tan that I already, it's 3/4 of the way gone. So that was something else that I used up. Something else I used up was the Unconditional Love Body Butter by Philosophy. I really like this. And I still have some of my shower gel that I use to shave my legs with of this. Another makeup thing. I'm finished with my It's a 10. I love this and I will repurchase this. I really, really, really do. Something else I finally used up, and boy, I used it up too. It was my MD Skin Sciences Mineral Tinted Moisturizer, Mineral Tinted Cream. It's kind of like a primer, and I made sure I got every friggin' thing out of it. I did this. I cut it a while ago, and I just kept putting it in there and then just using it up. So, and it did have an SPF 30 in it. I'm going a little fast. I know. I just don't know when they're going to be here. I used up a jar of coconut oil. I don't know what's in there. That's kind of gross. I used up a BioTrue contact solution. And the last one I didn't use up, but I don't like it. It is the Tarte Modernize. It drags. Oh, and it just fell out. It just fell out. I'll show it to you. It's a liner that pulls. I would definitely not repurchase this. There's a dark part and then there's a lighter part. I mean, it's pretty, but it just pulled. It's just kind of pulling on my eyes, and I'm sorry. I don't need any more pulling on my eyes at all. So just there you go. So I know this was short, sweet, and to the point, kind of fast, but I just kind of wanted to get this in before they got here. I don't think I'll upload it today. I'll probably wind up uploading it tomorrow. And I'm hoping this weekend to do a navy eye look for you. So I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. Please comment. You have no idea how much I love it. And have a great day.